Hi everybody, and welcome to today's video. I'm with Leo today, and we're just going to work on some left and right turns and emerging. Trying to keep our speed down, aren't we?
Yes.
Let's get going. Lovely, well done. The problem in the past was it was going a bit too quick.
Yeah.
It's causing this to go either wide or struggle with the car, isn't it?
Mm.
So a left turn coming up where the red car is with the learner car. Don't indicate yet, it's too early. No, that's it. And then we're going to get our speed down to what?
Enough for a second gear.
Second gear, isn't it? So that's it, second gear at this point. Lift clutch slowly. You've got plenty of time then. Perfect. It's giving you plenty of time, isn't it? And carry on. Easy peasy. That's all you've got to keep doing, is just bring that speed down for the turns.
Yeah.
And then you'll find it easier to control the car. And also, if things change, it's easy viewing.
Yeah.
Is it good to go?
Should.
That's it. Gear change, isn't it? You concentrate how much about that car coming through.
Yeah.
If you've got your gear change then. So remember, as you slow down, you've got to think about the gear that's going to be suitable for that speed. At the end of the road, we're going to turn right.
Yeah.
At the end. So past these vans, it's a bit tricky on the bend. Yeah. That's it, well done. And then once we get past this van, we've just got to do a right at the end of the road. So you see the junction there? A bit difficult, isn't it? We're going to go right. And just play it safe because you can't see. That's a good position. Well done. That was nice, well done. Well done. Textbook that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I'm recording it and you're doing it right, aren't you? I have to put the camera on more often for you to get spot on all the time. Last week he was speeding around them corners. Not intentionally, you're just going a bit too quick, weren't you?
Yeah. But I said to my wife, when I've had like a proper sleep, I come back, it feels better.
That was it, wasn't it? Last week you was shattered, weren't you?
Yeah.
It does make a difference. What was causing, was it you were up late doing something?
No, I was just one of them, just, you know when you just can't sleep?
Yeah, one of the nights. Was it probably the warm weather?
Probably warm weather.
So we'll just follow it halfway around this road, and I'll tell you in a few minutes to do a right turn.
Yeah.
And we do a right turn to side road.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see that black car ahead of us on the bend.
Yeah.
So you won't pull out yet, would you?
No.
It's just dangerous because you can't see what's coming.
Yeah.
So when's a good time to pull out?
When you get a bit closer.
Yeah. You happy to do that?
Yeah.
Well done. That's nice. And then it's the next right turn coming up.
Yeah.
Flashing, aren't they? That's because the kids are coming. Don't come out. It was probably the nursery kids at this time, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the right turn coming up. It's like a part-time speed limit, that, isn't it? It comes on when the lights are flashing. Go back to his car. What's he up to? See a problem here?
Yeah. No.
Let's carry on then. That was lovely, that. Well done. Nice and neat. Got your speed down to about 8 miles an hour then. Yeah, then part-time signals then. I call them part-time. They're outside school, aren't they?
Yeah.
So it's saying 20 mile an hour and underneath when the lights are flashing.
Yeah.
And it's 11:30, call it. So I reckon it's coming up to lunchtime for the kids. So some of the parents must pick the kids up Or maybe they go home at lunch.
I think that's when they do go home, at lunch.
Yeah.
Well, it's what it used to be for Jacob.
Yeah. Jacob's your son. Not son, brother.
Yeah.
It's not old enough to have any kids. I'm getting mixed up here, aren't
I think if I had a kid, I don't think I'd be living with mum and dad.
I? If mum's watched this now, she'll be giving you a look.
She probably would.
Now, at the end of here, this time, we're going to go left at the end.
Yeah.
So, left turn here. Mirrors, signal. That's it, don't leave it too late. Get your position. That's it. We're good to go.
Yeah.
Let's carry on then. So yeah, you're a little bit late then with your mirror signals. That's
Yeah.
why I mentioned it. That's the thing, isn't it? It's the art of conversation when you're driving.
Yeah.
And if you get too engrossed in a conversation, you could forget things.
Yeah.
But as you get better and better at your driving, you'll find it easier to kind of hold a conversation and drive.
Yeah.
Because I was chatting to you about your mum and then you forgot about doing your mirror signals.
Yeah. Our road felt so smooth.
Yeah, bit of brand new road. Now at the end of here, we're going to go left.
Yeah.
Good. Keep turning. That's it. And then we're going to pull up on the left just after this lamppost.
Yeah.
Bring it in closer. A little bit closer. That's it there. Okay. Got to be reasonably close to curb, otherwise you're basically not parking up at that point, you're just stopping, aren't you?
Yeah.
There's a quick one on some left and right turns, isn't it? And just remember that on that one there, that left turn, you run your right, make sure it's clear on your left as well.
Yeah.
And if you're going to change gear last second, don't forget to stay as well.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to watch some other videos, because I record some videos, isn't it, for years
Yeah.
back, I'll put a link to some videos of hers, and when you've got some more videos of yours recorded, we'll change them over to yours.
Yeah.
Okay. See you next time. Safe driving, everybody. Take care.